Imagine a day without speech privacy. Sarah discusses sensitive client information. But the conversation isn't just between Sarah and her client. It's spilling into the room for everyone to hear. Even tough, private conversations and confidential meetings, like addressing challenges with another employee or discussing quarterly financials, aren't truly private in this environment. And with constant interruptions, staying focused becomes impossible. Deadlines loom, stress builds, and productivity plummets. With Lencore's sound masking solutions, Sarah's workplace transforms. Private conversations stay private, focus returns, and stress disappears. A workplace that works. For Sarah and for everyone. Your workplace deserves better. Ready to make the change? Contact Lencore today.